To make an apple crumble, first preheat your oven to 350 degrees Fahrenheit or 175 degrees Celsius. Then peel and core 5 to 6 apples. Cut the apples into 1/4 inch or 0.6 centimeter pieces and spread them out on an 8-inch or 20 centimeter baking dish. Next, combine 2/3 cups or 80 grams of flour, 2 tablespoons of granulated sugar, 1/2 cup or 100 grams of brown sugar, and 1/2 teaspoon of cinnamon in a large mixing bowl. Cut 6 tablespoons of chilled, unsalted butter into the mixture with a fork or a pastry cutter. Cutting in simply means combining the butter with the flour until it reaches a crumbly, sandy texture. Be careful not to overwork the butter, or it will become too soft and more difficult to work with. Pour the crumble topping over the apples and bake it for 45 minutes or until golden. Serve and enjoy. As always, be sure to exercise caution when handling a knife to avoid injury.